I've been attached with the feeling of them waking up with you by my side.
Maraming salamat po! Thank you po, Iloilo! Grabe yung Iloilo, no? First time natin dito sa Binabiang Festival, okay?
Yes, first time namin! At maraming salamat po talaga!
Sana naman naging worth it, guys. Maraming salamat. Alam namin kanina pa kayo nandito. At nanginod kanina. Pwede ba tayo magpa-picture sa kanila?
Pwede po!
Pwede ba? O dito tayo, picture tayo, guys. Picture. Smile on you! Smile!